Swayam Mohanty. So, Employee of the Year, first event maybe, like first event, he's coming first event. A lot of questions. Sir, I'm little fear for the event. I'm not event boy. Really, he said only one message he sent to me. He don't know he's the employee of the year and all. Sir, I'm little nervous. I never come for the event. He messaged me, sir, what type of dress code? So these all things, like heartful things. He's texted me, sir, I don't know what is this and all. I said, please come. And he said one must, sir, if I go to the employees, I don't know I will be mingle with the people or not. How they will be treating me. That is the reason I am only choose work from home. That is what he messaged me. So it's all about. So I want to tell how you become employee of the year to our team. Just give me 1 minute. Okay? I will explain them why I choose Swayam as the employee of the year. Because a lot of people will think, why Swayam? Why? There's a lot of 10, 7, 8, 6. A lot of people is there. This guy is working with me, I think, 1 year, 4 months, 1.2 years. He become employee of the year. How great! See, come. I will only tell only one thing. I will tell in Telugu, then I will tell English. ఒకటే ఒకటి చెప్తాను. నేను ఎంతో ఆలోచించాను, ఎవరికి ఇవ్వాలి, లాట్ ఆఫ్ స్క్రూటినైజ్ చేసుకున్నాను, లాట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ చేసుకున్నాను. ఒకటే ఒకటి చెప్తాను. There's a lot of people is doing work from home. Sometimes people will tell that, sir, tomorrow I have a marriage, that is the reason I need work from home. Ray, you have a marriage, you go marriage, why you are applying work from home? Sir, I have a bank appointment, I need to talk with my friends, please give me work from home. So people is there. See, employee or employer first thinking a project need to deliver on time. So that is the first thing I am telling each and everyone every day. Please deliver the project on time. So that is the first rule for the any software developer. But no one taking care seriously. But this guy is to take an initiative, a serious mode. I will tell you how he taken the serious mode. See, I am not telling to work day and night. But the thing is, I only tell you tell one thing, stick on that. So he promised that I will deliver on 4 months. It took 3 or 4 months. I think it's a big project. It took 5 months, right? Of 6 months. But he only, as his expertise in our organization might be 2.5 years, I think, in a Flutter experience. How much? 2.5 year experience. He said I need 6 months of time. But unfortunately, things is changed in a different mode. And ultimately he need to work another 1.5 extra month. But he took initiative, but somewhere else he managed. And finally he gave before 4 days with big happiness. He sent me a proud message. Sir, I delivered the project 4 days before as I committed. This is Swayam. Like that he sent a message. Like when I see the message, goosebumps came. Why people won't think in this scenario? One thing, 1 point. And coming to the second point. See, is working from home, right? But no monitoring is required. Nothing. See, originally people is work hardly, heartfully, no tracking, nothing. He know his limit. He know what to do, how to execute, when to deliver. So that is the reason. See, anyone want to work heartfully, then everyone will go to good position. He deserves 15th anniversary day, best employee of the year. A big claps. So, mic is yours. To our team.
Hi everyone. First of all, very congratulations of the 15th anniversary to Subbu sir and my Color Moon families. And I am very proud to be a part of this team. and thanks to Color Moon for giving me such challenging projects. And by doing that, I'm upskilling myself a lot. And special thanks to Subbu sir for your love, care, and the very great leadership for us. Love you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Swayam. ఒకసారి CTO and CFO స్టేజ్ మీదకి వస్తారా? So we three will present you this.